If Chrome is open but it refuses to load new web pages even though your internet is working, don't worry. This is a common issue and there are a few fast fixes you can try right now. In this video, I'll walk you through the most effective steps to get Chrome loading pages normally again without wasting time guessing what went wrong. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. First, we're going to clear Chrome's internal host cache and socket pools. Chrome keeps its own network cache, and if that cache gets stuck, web pages can spin forever or refuse to open. To do this, open a new tab and type Chrome net internals number DNS into the address bar. Then press Enter. On this page, click Clear Host Cache. After that, type Chrome net internals number sockets into the address bar and press Enter again. Once the sockets page opens, click Flush Socket Pools. This clears Chrome's saved network connections and gives it a fresh start. If that doesn't fix it, the next step is to disable hardware acceleration. Sometimes Chrome's graphics rendering can conflict with your system's graphics driver, which can cause blank pages, frozen tabs, or sites that never fully load. To turn this off, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome and choose Settings. In the left sidebar, click System, then find Use Graphics Acceleration when available and switch it off. After that, click the Relaunch button so Chrome restarts with the new setting applied. Now let's check for proxy interference. Hidden proxy settings can silently block or reroute Chrome traffic, even if your internet connection looks fine. On Windows, press Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run box. Type in ntcl.cpl and press Enter. When the Internet Properties window opens, go to the Connections tab, then click LAN Settings. Here, uncheck Use a proxy server for your LAN. Then make sure Automatically Detect Settings is checked. Click OK, then Apply, and close the window. This is an important step because proxy misconfigurations can cause Chrome to stop loading new pages properly. Next, we need to isolate whether an extension is causing the problem. A bad extension, especially an ad blocker or privacy tool, can break page loading completely. Press Ctrl, Shift, and N to open an Incognito window. Try visiting a website in Incognito mode. If the page loads normally there, that usually means one of your extensions is the culprit. In that case, click the three dots, hover over Extensions, then click Manage Extensions. From there, turn off your extensions one by one and keep testing Chrome until you find the one causing the issue. If Chrome still won't load new web pages, the final fix is to flush your PC's DNS and reset the network stack. This can repair deeper connection problems between Chrome and Windows. Open the Start menu, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type ipconfig flush DNS and press Enter. After that, type nets-ash winsock reset and press Enter again. Once that finishes, restart your computer completely. This step refreshes your network handshake and often fixes stubborn browser loading issues. By the time you've gone through these steps, Chrome should be loading websites normally again. The key is to work through them in order, starting with Chrome's internal cache, then checking graphics, proxy settings, extensions, and finally your Windows network configuration. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and leave a comment if you want more Chrome troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.